In this video, we will download and install Spring Tool Suite, a development environment which you can use to develop, debug, and run RESTful web services with Spring and Spring Boot. And to download a Spring Tool Suite, you will have to go to spring.io and then /tools, and then hit enter. A page will open with a very good description about the Spring Tool Suite, and there will be other tools below, but we are interested in this one, Spring Tool Suite. So the Spring Tool Suite is an Eclipse-based development environment which is customized for developing Spring applications. It provides a ready-to-use environment to implement, debug, run, and deploy your Spring applications. It is cross-platform, so you can look which platforms are supported by clicking on this See All Versions link. And there is one for Windows, there is one for Mac, and for Linux. I'm using Mac, so I have already downloaded and installed on my computer actually. And to download it, I clicked on this link and downloaded a file. And then I've moved it to my desktop, and here it is. It is a DMG application, so I can simply double click on it and installation process will begin. You will then eventually be presented with this window, Spring Tool Suite, and you will need to select the icon and drag and drop it to your applications folder. I'm not going to do it because I have already done it and I have Spring Tool Suite installed. So once the Spring Tool Suite application is copied to your applications folder, you will then be able to go to your Launchpad and then find it among your other applications. So you can click on it and it will start the development environment and you can start working with it.